हेलो एवरीवन। मैं कोमल यादव, नेशनल ट्रेनर टेक्निकल वर्ल्ड फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट स्काउट एशिया। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। उस दिन हमने कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन से जुड़े कुछ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस किया था। आज हम उसी क्वेश्चंस को एक्सपेंड करेंगे। उस दिन हमने 66 क्वेश्चन को कवर कर लिया था। आज हम 67 क्वेश्चन की बात करेंगे, जिसमें 67 क्वेश्चन है हमारा the term to change a smart object in extremely layer. So option C, rasterize is the right answer. Now question number 68, the shortcut for duplicating a layer. So option A, control plus Z is the right answer. Now question number 69, the four keystroke used to turn something into black and white. So option C, Alt plus Control plus Shift plus B is the right answer. गाइस, मैंने जो हाईलाइट येलो कलर से कर रखे हैं यही हमारा राइट आंसर है। आप लोग उसको देखते जाइएगा ठीक से। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 70, the name of the points that are made with the pen tool which is making a path. So option A, anchor point is the right answer. So question number 71, what is database? So option B, a collection of tables is the right answer. Question number 72, which of the following is a relational database management system, RDBMS? So option B, SQLite is the right answer. आई होप यू गाइस आपको ये क्वेश्चन इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहे होंगे, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर से जुड़े सभी क्वेश्चंस को हमें अच्छी तरह से तैयार करना है, तभी हम ट्रिपल सी कंपटीशन जैसे एग्जामों को क्लियर कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि इससे हमारा कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड बेस क्लियर होगा, जिससे आपका माइंड शार्प होगा। So question number 73, what is SQL used for in the context of database? So option C, database querying and manipulation is the right answer. Question number 74, what does the acronym ACID stand for in the context of database transactions? So option A, automaticity, consistency and isolation and durability is the right answer. Now question number 75, which term is used to describe the unique key in a database table? Is option D, primary key is the right answer. Question number 76, what is normalization in the context of database? So option A, the process of organizing data to minimize redundancy is the right answer. Now question number 77, which SQL clause is used to filter the result of query to specific condition? So option C is the right answer, where. तो आपका राइट आंसर क्या होगा इस क्वेश्चन का, where. Now question number 78, what is the purpose of foreign key in a relational database? So option C is it establishes a link between two tables is the right answer. Now question number 79, what is the difference between a primary key and unique key? So option D, a table can have only one primary key but multiple unique keys is the right answer. Now question number 80. In a database, what is the purpose of the join operation? Option C, to retrieve data from multiple tables is the right answer. Question number 81. What is the role of the select statement in SQL? So option B, to retrieve data from a table is the right answer. Question number 82. Which type of database model represents data as a network of records connected by relationships? So option C, network is the right answer. Question number 83. What is the purpose of the index in a database table? So option B, to speed up data retrieval by providing a quick access path is the right answer. Question number 84. Which SQL statement is used to add new records to a table? C, insert is the right answer. Now, question number 85. What is storage procedure in the next context of database? So, option B, a set of SQL statements that perform a specific task is the right answer. Now, question number 86. Which of the following is not a valid data type in SQL? So, decimals is the right answer. Now, question number 87. What is the purpose of the SQL function count? So option A, count the number of rows in a table is the right answer. Now question number 88. Which SQL command is used to remove a table from a database? So B option, drop table is the right answer. Question number 89. What is the purpose of the cascade keyword in the context of foreign keys? So option B, it automatically updates or deletes related records when the primary key is updated or deleted is the right answer. Now, question number 90. Which type of database model represent data as a collection of objects with the attributes and methods? So, option D, object dash oriented is the right answer. सो गाइस हम आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 पर जो है हमारा व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ द एसक्यूएल कीवर्ड यूनियन सो ऑप्शन ए कंबाइंस द रिजल्ट ऑफ टू और मोर सेलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज द राइट आंसर now question number 92 in the context of database what is determinizations so option C the process of introducing redundancy to improve query performance is the right answer. Question number 93. What does the SQL acronym OCLAP stand for? So, option A, online analytical processing is the right answer. Now, question number 94. In SQL, what is the purpose of having clause? So, option C, filters result of aggregate function applied to groups is the right answer. Now, question number 95. Which of the following statements about NQSQL database is true? So, option C, they are schemeless and support flexible data models. So, option C, they are schemeless and support flexible data models is the right answer. Now, we discuss question number 96. What is the purpose of the SQL keyword like in a query? So option A specifics a pattern for matching values in a column is the right answer. Now question number 97 which of the following is the key characteristics of a distributed database? So option C it spans multiple locations and servers is the right answer. Now question number 98 what is the purpose of the SQL function sum? So option A calculates the total of numeric column is the right answer. Now we discuss question number 99. Which type of database model uses a tree-like structure to represent the relationship between records? So option A, Irregular is the right answer. Now question number 100. What is the purpose of the SQL keyword check when defining a table constraint? So option B, it enforces a condition to limit the values that can be inserted into a column is the right answer. So guys आज हमने 100 क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस किया है आप सभी से उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग इनको अच्छे से याद करेंगे समझेंगे और इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अपने जरूरतमंद दोस्तों के साथ इसको शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन को तो बिल्कुल दबाना मत भूलिएगा